Hello and good morning everyone. If you're anything like me, you practically inhale your coffee first thing in the morning. But have you ever wondered how that morning pick-me-up with its unique pH affects your teeth and mouth? Well, today I'm diving into some coffee facts that every coffee lover should know. First up, coffee and your dental health. Coffee has pH ranging from 4.85 to 5.10. This is considerably more acidic than our mouth's natural pH of around 7. This acidity is where some of the challenges begin. The lower pH of coffee can create a more acidic environment in your mouth. And as we know, acidic conditions can lead to tooth and enamel erosion. Over time, this can potentially make your teeth thin and a little bit more brittle. But what about the staining? The rule of thumb is simple. If it can stain your clothes, it can stain your teeth. Coffee's acidity, combined with its natural tannin content, can contribute to teeth discoloration over time. The infamous coffee breath. How can something so delicious leave such a foul odour? Well, it's because coffee contains caffeine, which can lead to xerostomia or dry mouth. The acidity of the coffee combined with the caffeine can reduce saliva production, creating the ideal breeding ground for bacteria, which contributes to bad breath. Here's the good news for coffee lovers. You can still enjoy your coffee and maintain a white and healthy smile. Just remember to drink it in moderation, ideally no more than 2 cups a day, and don't neglect your daily oral care routine, including brushing and flossing and those essential visits to your dentist twice a year. Can't imagine a day without coffee? Well, here are some tips to minimize the damage. Drink water with your coffee to help rinse out your mouth. Skip the sugar, this can contribute to tooth decay. Use a straw to avoid direct contact with your teeth, and consider brushing your teeth after drinking your coffee, but leave about half an hour before doing this, as your mouth will still be acidic. And finally, reduce your coffee intake where possible. For those of you that can't give up coffee, here's a bonus tip. Try cold brewed coffee. Cold brewed coffee has a lower acidity due to the extending brewing process. This can be kinder to your teeth. So here's to enjoying our coffee while being mindful of our oral health. If you found these coffee and teeth tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can keep up with more dental health and insight from me. Thanks for joining me for this coffee chat, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!